At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, September 29, 2023, the cost to borrow T2 stock is up 130% in just 10 days. The elevated cost to borrow fee comes amid significant sales from 10% owner CR Group. The cost to borrow T2 Biosystems tallies in at 37.62%, compared to 16.06% on September 18. Meanwhile, 10% owner CR Group has sold tens of millions of shares since September 19. T2 stock has shed about 85% of its value this year. Shares of T2 Biosystems, Nasdaq TTOO, are up by over 20% today on the heels of receiving U.S. Food and Drug Administration 510(k) clearance for its T2 Biothreat Panel. The panel is a direct-from-blood molecular diagnostic test that has the ability to simultaneously detect 6 biothreat pathogens. The T2 Biothreat Panel is the first and only FDA-cleared product able to simultaneously detect these 6 high-priority biothreat pathogens, and the only FDA-cleared multi-target biothreat product developed and manufactured by a U.S.-owned company, said T2. T2 disclosed this news on September 19. However, on that date, 10% owner CR Group disclosed selling 10.4 million shares at an average per share price of 37 cents, putting a damper on the T2 stock rally. In total, the transaction was worth $3.8 million. Cost to borrow increases 150% during past 10 days. That wasn't CRG's only sale. From September 20 to September 26, the Healthcare Investment Fund sold an additional 24.81 million shares at average prices ranging between 20 cents and 31 cents. Following the sales, CRG's stake has fallen to 13.13 million shares. CRG has not commented on the reason for its sales, although the timing in correlation with the FDA clearance is certainly noteworthy. Meanwhile, the cost to borrow fee for T2 stock has rose significantly in recent days. The fee tallied in at 16.06% on September 18 and has risen to 37.62% as of today, marking an increase of about 134%. The fee signifies the annual rate that short sellers must pay to borrow stock. A high fee indicates strong seller demand, while a low fee indicates the opposite. The average cost to borrow fee for a stock ranges between 0.3% and 3%, meaning that T2 carries an abnormally high fee. However, a high cost to borrow fee can also factor into a recipe for a short squeeze. That's because short sellers may abandon their positions in the face of excessive fees. As of September 15, T2 had a short interest of 7.61%, equivalent to 23.71 million shares sold short with a value of $6.57 million. A short interest above 10% is viewed as high, while a short interest above 20% is viewed as very high. Thanks for watching.